Today we are going to see that how we can create a custom program in SAP ABAP, and the first thing is the SAP T code that is used to create custom program, that is SE38. So SE38 basically is the transaction code that opens the ABAP editor. ABAP editor is where we can create ABAP program. So the main workspace where you create, write, test and run a web program, that is also called reports, or any other type of programs also available in this SAP system. So it's where you will write and execute your very first ABAP program. So remember the T code SE38. There are multiple ways to create program in SAP, that we can use SE80, SE80 T code to create program also, and the main T code is SE38. So if we have to access the ABAP editor screen, we will type SE38 in the command field and we will press enter, and after that you can see on the right side like this, we will give the program name, and we will select source code as a program type, and we will click on create button. After that we have to give the description, and we will select the type of the program as executable program, because we have to execute this, we have to run this program, we have to test this program. And as I said, there are multiple types of program, we will be seeing that time by time. So at this point we will select executable program, and after that we will write some code, like we are going to create hello world program, and we will write something, and we have to activate that program. As we already know that activation of an object is very important thing. Without activation to any program is very difficult. So execute, for the execution, for the testing, for to see the results, we have to press F8 button from the keyboard, or we can hit the execute button. That's the full cycle that we will repeat for every ABAP program. Okay, let's go to practical work. Here is the practical screen. So if we have to access the program T code to create the program SE38, here we have to give the name, for example, Z underscore hello underscore world. This is our first program. And if this exists already, we can click on display, as it's saying that it does not exist. So we have to click on create button. Before that, remember, as I earlier said, we have to choose the sub-object type is source code. We have to click on create button. We have to give the description. That's very important. When you run the program, it will show on the screen. So we will write here hello world program, and after that we will choose the type executable program, and we will save it. Give the package name, give the transport request, and you can see the first program is created, but the state is inactive. So we first have to activate this program, so now we can use this program. Okay, so if we have to display anything on the screen at the initial stage, we have to use write statement. Write statement is what? If we have to display anything, for example, hello world. Okay, this is the first line we have to write here to display this hello world on the output screen, and this dot is actually used to end the line. This colon is not mandatory, but if we have to display multiple variables and multiple hard-coded syntax on a single line like this, we have to use this one, this colon after write statement. But if we don't use this, no issues with this, we can go for the single hard-coded value or single variable, but we cannot use multiple with the same write statement. And this dot is used to end the statement. If we have to add any comment in front of the line, we have to use double quotation. For example, here we will write dot is used to end the statement. So this is the hard-coded comments that is only for the understanding purpose. So we have to activate. Now you can see the program is activated. So these comments will not say anything. The other way is to write the comment. We have to use star in the start of the line, and same comment we can write here like this. So there are multiple ways to add the comments. Okay, as we have created the first line, hello world, just run the program, and now you can see the hello world is printed on the output screen, and this hello world program is the description of this program that we have given while creating the program. Okay, so this is the first program, that how we can create a hello world program in SAP ABAP. Thank you very much.